Okay, let's dive right into this. Welcome to The Explainer. We spend so much of our days surfing the web, but have you ever stopped to wonder what actually happens behind the scenes when you hit enter? Today, we're unpacking the invisible architecture of the internet to see exactly how websites load up. So, how does typing google.com instantly open a website? Honestly, it kind of feels like magic, right? You hit that enter key and boom, you're there. But navigating the internet's absolutely massive digital space is a huge logistical challenge. To solve this, the whole internet relies on something called DNS, or the domain name system. Basically, it's the internet's phone book, or you can think of it like a global GPS.
Think about how you use your phone's contacts. You probably don't memorize your mom's 10-digit phone number, right? You just tap mom, and your phone does all the heavy lifting. Well, the internet's DNS works exactly the same way. We use easy names like google.com because, let's face it, human brains are great with words, but computers, they exclusively speak in numbers. DNS is that giant global directory that perfectly matches those readable names to numerical addresses so we don't have to.
And those numbers, they're called an IP address. It's a highly specific, unique string of numbers, something like 172.217.0.46, that identifies an exact server or computer out there on the web. While we humans prefer our simple domain names, web browsers absolutely need these exact numbers to connect. If DNS wasn't there doing the translation for us, you'd literally be stuck memorizing long, confusing strings of random digits for every single site you want to visit. No thank you. And this brilliantly illustrates the journey. When you type in a URL, this lightning-fast multi-step lookup immediately kicks off. Step 1, your computer asks a local DNS resolver. If that resolver doesn't know the address, it moves to step 2, a root server, which is kind of like a traffic cop directing you to step 3, the TLD server. That's the manager for extensions like .com or .org. Finally, step 4, the authoritative server steps in and provides the definitive IP address. The address is sent back, and your website loads in mere milliseconds. It's wild. Now, to speed things up even more and avoid doing that whole 4-step dance every single time, your computer actually cheats just a little bit. It uses a DNS cache hierarchy. Basically, it temporarily stores recently looked up IP addresses in your browser, your operating system, or your resolver cache. These are held on a time-to-live timer, so if you revisit a site before that timer runs out, the system skips the entire lookup process completely. Pretty smart, right? Speaking of efficiency, here is a really fun fact for you. Did you know standard explainer scripts are paced at about 150 words per minute? It's true. It's actually a structural secret used to maximize engagement. And modern AI tools use it to automatically generate educational explainers exactly like the one you're experiencing right now. Just like DNS relies on a perfectly structured system to deliver websites efficiently, we're using a structured pace to deliver knowledge straight to your brain.
So what does this all mean? Well, it brings us to our final big takeaway. DNS makes the internet easy to use by translating names into numbers. This completely invisible directory is working tirelessly behind the scenes every single time you click a link, completely removing the friction of navigating the web. So the next time you instantly pull up your favorite site, just remember the incredibly orchestrated system firing in the background to make it all possible. Makes you wonder what other invisible systems are quietly running our digital lives, doesn't it? Keep your curiosity fired up.